Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Apex Legends freezing and stuttering problem. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to view advanced system settings and then go to settings, then adjust for best performance. Now click apply and then OK and then close it, and after that go to Windows Update Settings. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that go back and go to GeForce Experience, then go to drivers. Now make sure to install the latest update, click check for updates and install the latest one, and then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling. Now enable this option. After that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.